209 Bon Air Ave. Today is April 18th. This is an interior inspection, trying to locate the house trap access so that we can do exterior inspection. Do not have access to this house trap at this time. We're going to pull back from here. This is an interior inspection to the clean out by the Pittsburgh Potty in the basement.